we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hello friends, you guys have probably been wondering where we've been for the last 5 months. Well, today we're gonna go ahead and tell you.
We've been here living in our van full time.
So January was pretty hectic. We were trying to pack up all of our stuff, sell the things we didn't want, move out of our apartment. It was so stressful, but so necessary. Oh, and did I mention we were still working full time?
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
Getting ready for the
Let
potluck.
me be real here. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to.
Hello friends, it is the end of January. We have exactly 22 more days until our full move out apartment is out. We just want to do an update because we haven't really been recording because I feel like we're in crunch time. Also, I've been working a lot, but alright guys, so this is what we have completed.
So let's quit our job, and whenever we had the chance, we were building every second of the day. I still worked, but we focused on building. Unfortunately, we had to move into an unfinished van in the end of February due to our lease ending. So we still lived in our van full time, effective February 22nd of this year, but we continued to build for the following few weeks.
And you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing.
What's it doing? Oh god, waiting for me. Alright, so we're doing some additional pieces here.
All of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
Yard sale hangout. Mom is sunbathing. Got a Brittany here. We are painting. As Destiny's working and painting. And Alay, what are you doing over there?
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over?
So we enjoyed the first few days in our van traveling around California. Not much, just the first few days. So we saw some Santa Monica. We wanted to be around the beaches, Malibu, and we enjoyed that time. But you guessed it, we were not finished with our build. So what did we have to do? We drove to my best friend's house, which we truly appreciate, and we love you, Tashi. Her and her husband allowed us to come over, and they had been helping us with our build for quite some time, or just allowing us to be in their space and work in their area, which we appreciate so much. So we were able to finish our full kitchen there, and it did take a lot longer than we actually expected. It was the biggest headache that we've ever had. I don't know why the kitchen was just such a hard time, maybe because we were on a crunch time, I don't know. Fast forward to the end of or mid-March, we had to get all the way down to Tiny Fest, which is a festival where you showcase your van, and that's something that we were honored to do, and we were so excited to do it. So we drove to San Diego to showcase our van for 3 days, which was so amazing. If we were able to meet you there, we're so happy we met you. Please comment down below and let us know we met you so we could say hello. It was really awesome meeting people and showing people our van, and it gave us a little boost of confidence in our build because we did DIY everything, and we were very much down on ourselves because it wasn't as perfect as we wanted it to be. In San Diego, we just stayed there. We stayed with some of my family. We were able to just really enjoy it, spend time with them, kind of like digress and rejuvenate from the build, from meeting tons and tons of people. It was a lot of fun, but it was pretty draining. So after that, we kind of just explored San Diego for a few weeks, and that was fun. We didn't. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dogs are eating too. Well, he's a savage and ate already. And now I'm going to eat.
So we've been on the road for about 4 weeks now, but we officially are getting to enjoy it now that we just finished our
Plumbing. Woo! Good job,
Me.
babe. Yeah.
But
I held.
She's the assistant.
I'm the assistant. She's like, hand me the defibrillator. Defibrillator. The screwdriver. Babe, hand me the drill. Hand me the this. That's me.
So now we're chilling at the beach in San Diego.
Woohoo!
Because it's Friday.
Woohoo! Friday, 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 Friday.
It's too heavy for her.
Yeah, you retriever! Woohoo! Hello, Mr. Meow Meow. Hi, thanks for joining us. Hi. Oh, hello. The cat comes out at night. The cat comes out at night. Doo doo.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
Okay, this is like a 10 out of 10 though.
The future is bright.
At the end of March, we were ready and itching to leave California, just because, you know, why we chose this lifestyle is to travel, explore, hike, meet new people, be living on the road. So that's what we did. We drove 10 hours to go meet some strangers that we've never met but online, and it was amazing meeting them, but the journey to get there was rough. So make sure to tune in and watch for the next video, and you'll see all about that.
That's not what I meant to say.
Can you say it again?
Oh yeah, that is what I meant to say.
It's gonna fall over. It's so windy.
So we continued to build while living in it full time, and went full time effective beginning of February, March?
February 22nd.
Oh yeah. we'll fix that part.
So when?
Meant the end of February. So we stop. Can we do this?
These past few weeks, blah, blah.
Hear the birds and see the sun.